Right guys, it's time to build the rem again, so I thought I'd video it for you so you can see how I do it. So I've got some 22 gauge cant full and I've done 7 wraps around the 3mm bit, and we're going to aim for right 0.18. So what I do is put it on the end of a screwdriver and I'll put the bottom of the coil through the middle like that. So try and jiggle it in. Just rest it in there, and I'll do the same for the other side. Just rest it in there like that. Then I'll use the screwdriver to sort of push it over where I want it roughly. I'll just hold that one there. I'll then tighten down the negative on that side. This is shit next, you can't see what I'm doing. And then we will do the same for the other side. Just get it roughly where I want it for now. Tighten down the negative, just try and keep the legs the same size. And then try and sort of, sorry to explain really, try and leave enough, sort of judge if there's enough slack to push it over to make them centre. And we'll tighten down the positive. And then I'll cut the legs off. The middle ones can be a bit fiddly sometimes, you need to move the coil out of the way a little bit so you can get to it. One, and the last one. Okay. And then, I don't know if you can see, this is only a cheap screwdriver from the pound shop. You use that little lip there to sort of push the coil over. So we'll get the coil and then just use that lip to sort of push it over into the middle. Be a bit brutal with it. Let's use a bigger one. That's better. So just sort of push that over into the middle. Do the same for this one. Push it into the middle. Okay. Make sure they're the same height, which they are near enough. Check the resistance. 0.14. See if that goes up a little bit with a dry fire. Yeah, I've got a hot leg there, so it'll probably go up a little bit. There we go, it's starting to go now. Just give it a little strum and a poke and a wiggle. I'm getting somewhere now. Sometimes the posts come a little bit loose as well after all of the shoving about, so we'll tweak those in a little bit. Yeah, they seem pretty tight. There we go, it's growing nice and evenly now. Last little pinch. Always just make sure they're glowing nice and evenly before I wick it, because you can't see very well once it's been wicked. This one's glowing a little bit off. Let's try and move that one over a little bit. That makes a little bit of a difference sometimes. Yeah. There we go. Nice and even glow now. I'm happy with that. Check the resistance again. 0.22. No, 0.19. That's pretty close to what I wanted. 0.018, that would do me. So wicking, I've got some cotton bacon V2, which is pretty much all I use now. So just get a little piece of it like that, twist the end up, nice and tight.